Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I don't know about y'all, but it's literally the middle of the week and I feel like I've been hit by a bus. I am so tired, but of course, let me just address the elephant in the room. Yes, I cut my hair. I have not had my hair this short since I can't even remember. It's been years, but I just felt like a little change, and plus mommy dug up my head when she cut my hair for COVID. So yeah, this is it. This is the new little look. I'm thinking about maybe adding some highlights. This is like remnants of the last highlights that I had, but I don't know, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, today's video, y'all, I bought 2 palettes for the year and I'm very proud of myself, but this one probably cost me about 5 palettes in my collection. And I know I said that I'm on an eyeshadow no buy because I literally feel like every color has been done under the sun except for like multi-chromes. I want really different, unique shades in my collection now, and this palette, when I saw it, I was just like, yes God, thank you, because I really love like Pat McGrath stuff, like the way it looks, but they are not cruelty free. So when Danessa Myricks stepped in, I was just like, yes ma'am, take my shmoney. It's super expensive, $125 for this palette, or $129, I'm not sure, but I'm excited to see if it's worth it because the swatches, everything looks so beautiful online, but y'all know, you'll get the truth here. So stay tuned if you want to see my review on this palette, and who knows, I may have a little surprise at the end of this video for one of you all, so keep on watching. So Danessa Myricks Beauty is a fairly new brand to me. Like, I only found out about them like a couple of months ago, and I've really been intrigued by the brand. Now Danessa Myricks is a professional makeup artist, so most of the products that she creates are like very model, avant-garde, editorial type of looks. So those are what her products kind of geared towards too. So I don't know, I just didn't really see anything that jumped out at me until like I started really researching the brand. So when it is, I saw they launched this beautiful multi-chrome palette. Like, I lost my mind, and I only hope the camera can do it justice when I share the swatches and stuff, because this is freaking gorgeous. It's definitely very unique. I know it looks like 4 white like shadows in this palette here because I was kind of confused, but let me tell you exactly what this palette entails. The unit carton does have the information, so I'm just going to be reading off of that. It says you get 14 shades and you have multiple finishes including holographic powders, duochrome gels, pressed glitter, powder creams, and multi-chrome pigments. I think these 2 are the duochrome gels. I'm not sure, we'll have to play around. I honestly didn't want to look at too many reviews to like have a biased review as well, but I am so excited for this, and it got here pretty quick because it's like available at Sephora now too. So if you're thinking about getting this on a sale, hopefully I can get this review up on time. But yo, in person you can already see the shifts of this, and this is like why I said I'm not buying regular eyeshadows anymore, because I want something different, I want unique, and I feel like multi-chromes are given that. So I'm excited to play around with this. Of course, in this video I'm gonna be inserting swatches of all of these lovely shades on my arm, but I do want to live swatch some of them. So let's feel this one. Oh my god, yeah, this is the chrome gel. It feels wet. Look at this. Oh my god, camera, pick it up, pick it up. Let me swatch it and see if I can get it for y'all, but this is really pretty. Wow. Okay, swatched it just looks gold, but in person I can see the blue. Like, can you see it there, like right there? Like, holy crap, this is what we're talking about. This is eyeshadow. This is what brands need to do. Okay, I know it's expensive, but I feel like it's just so much more worth it than brands releasing basic eyeshadows for us now. We have it, okay? We have all the shades are brown, green, blue. We have it. We need these. Oh my gosh, Let me swatch another one. This is really exciting. Let's try Aurora. Oh, this feels so oh my god. This is like purple and then it goes green. You seen it? Look at you could see it. Watch. Oh my goodness. What? Oh god, these feel like smoother than butter. Like, holy crap, look at the shift on this thing. Let's do a holographic powder. This one is called Strawberry Moon, right? It just looks like pink metallic. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a topper, so it's not as opaque, but it is super gorgeous. It's like pink, but it also has like gold to it. Hopefully you can see it, but damn, these are so pretty. So I saw her use these holographic powders on her models, like all over their cheeks and stuff. So you know, today is gonna be a very extra kind of look. So yeah, let's get straight into this. I am so excited. I turned on my flash on my camera so you guys can properly see the shifts on these eyeshadow pigments. They are insane, and you can see when the light hits it how different they look depending on how the light hits them. These are just phenomenal. I have no words to describe them. They are beautiful. So I went ahead off camera and applied some matte eyeshadows to my eyes because this palette, it has only one matte, which is this black here, and to be honest, it doesn't look like totally matte, kind of like a satin matte finish. So I definitely may play around with this. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so I just did like a basic thing there. But let's jump straight into these chromes. Now, it is recommended to use your fingers to apply these, but child, I'm not trying to dig out my eye, so I'm gonna try it with a brush first and see how it looks. But I really don't know which shade I want to try today. But let's go with Aurora. That really jiggled my balls when I swatched it. So that is the same purple shade here. Let's try that first. Taking it up on the brush, you can see like the green and the gold in here. This palette making me feel to cry. It's so pretty. That went on wet. I was surprised. I was like expecting it to fall off from the brush, but holy crap. Look at my eye. It green, it purple, it gold. This is freaking beautiful. Yes, Lord, this is what we need, okay? Scream it to these brands. I have already made the executive decision here today that both of my eyes are gonna be in different colors today. Don't judge me, don't come for me. I want to play with as much of these shadows as possible. So for the black here, I'm gonna like pack it on the corner here with this brush. I can go from sexy black outer corner to raccoon eyes real quick, so I need to take my time here. If I'm not talking, we'll feel bad. So this is what the eye looking like so far, but I think to connect the black and that metallic chrome even further, I want to try the gel cream, like just to see what happens. Just a little touch, like right here. Jesus save me. This is gorgeous. Hello. This palette is given. It's given, and thank God because she wasn't cheap, but I need to move on to the next eye because I will sit down here and color whole day. For my next eye, I'm gonna use the shade Galaxy. This is another multi-chrome. This one shifts like blue, green, and purple. I think this has to be like the most popular shift you would see even from indie brands. So why not? Let me flip my brush. Oh god, this thing feels so smooth. Look. Oh god, come on camera. Oh shoot. That is sexy. Look at the swipe and it's still going. This is so gorgeous. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna do the same thing with that black shade. On this eye, I think I want to use this gel cream. It's shifting gold, orange, yellow, red. It is so stunning. So let's see what happens. Oh, this texture feels so good. It's weird but so good. Ooh! Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh god, I wish y'all could see this in person. This shade Martian is really calling my name, so I think I want to put that on top of that gel cream and see what happens. Ooh, this one is giving me like pastel vibes. It's shifting purple, aquamarine. Wow, that is so pretty. Look at this. Holy, I want that on my eye. More. Don't say I didn't put you all on this palette, eh? Make sure and spend your money on this. It is so worth it. I already given my final thoughts. Look at that. I'm gonna pop on a lash and come back. So these are what the eyes are looking like. Clearly I'm obsessed with this. This is so gorgeous. I feel like I haven't gotten creative in a while, and this palette just like, yeah, it did that. So I also picked up 2 of her Vision Flush. These are like for your lip, your cheeks, your eyes. So basically like a liquid blush that you can use everywhere. And I got the shade Bread and Butter, and this is Sugar Plum. I really want to play with this plum color today, but because my eyes are so loud, I think I want to go with this more natural shade. Like, you know, it's more toned down. Let me give this a good little shake. By the way, this packaging is the most beautiful I've seen. It's freaking gorgeous, and it has this little triangular tip that picks up a lot of product. So hopefully this doesn't ruin my base. Let me just start off with like just a touch. Let me get my mirror. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention there was some fallout with those multi-chrome, so you need to be careful because yeah, I kind of messed up my base a little bit, but that's okay. Anything for Danessa. Okay, so it's not lifting anything so far. Oh my gosh, look at the finish of the... That took all but what, 5 seconds? Look at this. Oh my god, that is pretty. Ooh la la. Again, this is the shade of Bread and Butter. I love that this blush has like a sheen to it. Like, my skin already looks like it's highlighted, but we extra today, so I'm gonna try one of these holographic chrome powders. I don't know which one. Let's try. The thing is, it's so hard to tell what the shades are just by looking at them because they all look the same. So I think I'm gonna try maybe Spring Equinox and see what happens. Oh boy, anyways. Hold on. Oh my god, I swear NASA can see me from space. Look, it's so smooth. Look at my cheeks. Just look at my cheeks. This is gorgeous. I really want to try another shade on this cheek, but let me behave. My face is already loud as it is. This is magic. Like, oh boy. Might as well highlight my forehead because I'm already here. Why not? Knows everything. So now that I look like I'm from Andromeda, what do I think about this palette? I love it. I think you all saw my genuine raw reaction to this palette, and when I say get it, of course, if you can afford it, absolutely go out there. To me, it's worth the investment more than just buying a bunch of like $65 eyeshadow palettes, when you can just buy something that is just so magical and have like your regular matte eyeshadow palette, like a very basic one to get like those crease colors and stuff, but have such magical colors to really take your look to the next level. Totally recommend. This has got my creative juices flowing again. I feel just like my old self again. This palette has truly brought out my creative side. I really love it. I can't wait to play around more with it and try new looks. But as a really huge thank you, because I know since I hit 1K on YouTube, I was supposed to do a giveaway, but I've just been so busy and have not had the time. So as you can see from this palette, you get the 4 holographic powders in the middle. And as a gift to one of y'all, now I have never done a YouTube giveaway before, so I'll figure it out as I go. I am gifting one of y'all this mini palette. This is a mini palette or mini version of that larger Danessa Myricks palette, if I can get out to show y'all. But basically it's the holographic toppers in here. So you get all of the full sizes, the large pans for you to play around with. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and just leave a nice comment down below. It can be about anything, anyone, yourself, your dog, your mommy, your daddy, whoever. Just leave a nice positive comment below, and yeah, you will be entered. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting about like the announcements and stuff, so I'll definitely let you all know. So make sure, again, you have to be subscribed to my channel, hit the post notification bell, and oh, also you must be 18 years and older and living in Trinidad. Yes, so I think that's it. I'll have all of the rules in the description box. Make sure to read that to win this Danessa Myricks palette. I forgot to mention the vision flushes. I really like it. Obviously today it was taken over by these holographic powders on my face, but I absolutely love the formula. I know I am going to love it even without these holographic powders on my face, so I can't wait to play around with these even more. Such a good formula, but I would totally recommend these. They perform so well. It leaves like a satin matte finish, really pretty on the skin. And don't forget, Danessa Myricks products can be found on Sephora, so make sure it's sale time. If you want to cop some of these products, now is the time. But that completes this video. I do hope you guys like it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It would really help out my little channel. And also comment down below. Don't forget to comment something nice to win this mini palette. And as always, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I'll see y'all on the weekend. Be good. Bye.